3 mistakes when carrying a newborn that can harm their spine and brain. Not supporting the baby's head and neck. Many parents carefully support the baby's back and bottom, but unintentionally forget the most important part, the head and neck. When you hold a newborn, the weight of their head puts pressure on the neck. Without proper support, this can lead to spinal cord injury, something most parents don't realize. Rocking the baby to sleep while carrying them. Holding and gently rocking may help babies fall asleep faster, but most of them will wake up as soon as they're placed in the crib. Not to mention, rocking too hard can affect the baby's brain, more dangerous than many parents think. Keeping the baby in one position for too long. Holding a newborn in the same position limits their movement, and over time, can affect their natural development. If the position is incorrect, it can even lead to bone issues.